Happy 4th of July, everybody. It's me, Kathy, aka Nerdy Cat, and I am back today on our lovely American Independence Day. I have been working this morning, and I was working yesterday and the day before yesterday. And what I was working on is this, what you are seeing on the screen. It is a Vue app, a Vue CRUD app. CRUD, for those of you who don't know, stands for Create, Read, Update, and Delete. And it is made with Vue.js and Firestore. So Firestore is what I used, or Firebase is what I used as the database. It's a cloud database by Google. Check it out. But yes, this is the app that I created, and you can do a lot of different things. Basically, it's kind of like an employee manager. You can create new employees. You can give them their ID number, their name, their department, their position, and then you can add them to the database. And then you can also delete them. You can edit them. You cannot edit the employee ID number. That was something that was set in the code so that no one can go in and update the ID number. So that was interesting. Kind of like thinking about the things that you need to do when you make apps and stuff and why you need to do them, but that would definitely be useful for ethical purposes in running an organization and working with employees. But yeah, so you can create new ones, you can edit the ones that are there, you can delete the some of them that are there, and then excuse me, I'm kind of tired. But this is the app that I made, and again, I used Vue.js, Google's Firestore and Firebase as the database. And for the colors and the styling, I used Materialize CSS. I've been using that a little bit more. I like it because it's simple and it's quick. And I love Bootstrap. I'm not saying anything negative about Bootstrap because y'all know I finished that project with Bootstrap in very, very intimate terms with Bootstrap. But just for building apps, kind of quickly and just a little bit more simplified. The classes are really easy to remember with Materialize CSS, and it's a little faster to me. So it just depends on the project that you're doing. For something like this, for an example project, I think it was a great option. So again, Vue.js, Google Firestore, Materialize CSS, and the Vue. I posted something about Vue the other day that I did on JS Fiddle, and I used the CDN for that. I didn't use the CLI. I didn't install the command line, but on this project I did. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You can go ahead and go to the https://meetnerdycat.github.io, and you can test out the app for yourself. Have a little fun with it. It take you less than a minute because it's a really simple app, but yeah, I had a lot of fun building it. Oh, and the other thing, I don't remember if I mentioned it or not, but I'm going to say it again. Yes, I did deploy it to GitHub Pages. That's what I used for deployment. So yeah, that's the project that I've been working on for the past 2 days. In a nutshell, it was really fun. I really like Vue. I really like Materialize CSS. I like cloud databases. So yeah, if you want to learn more, definitely check out the tutorial by Brad Traversy on YouTube. I will put it in the links in the description. And have fun coding, programming, learning. Enjoy! Have a happy 4th of July, y'all. Okay, bye!